Oh, maybe it's that stupid math pipe.
That's the math that was on that pipe.
No, but diameter-wise.
Other pipes in here, and then I got my math that was on the car.
They got pipes on pipes.
Right, that pipe.
Indeed.
That pipe ran.
Pipes on pipes.
So you can't get to the fuel rail. You can't take off the fuel injectors because look at where the bolts to the fuel rails are. And this is welded on top.
Yeah, but this is a secondary plate. It unbolts from the inside.
It unbolts from the inside? I
Yeah.
thought it was welded on top.
No. This is a black RTV. You take the bolts off, Supercharger comes off.
So that's not a weld?
No, it's a plate. This bolts on to the lower section.
Oh! You can take the fuel injectors off. Yeah, hell yeah, you got a Supercharger. They're cool.
It's bolted on the inside to the bottom.
It's
The
from the
plate right there.
inside. It's from the inside.
Adapter went up.
That makes you feel so much better.
Good.
You gotta edit that part with the more you know sign.
I knew you wouldn't do no stupid shit like that.
I didn't do that. That's not even a word.
How you doing, Martin? I know it runs like shit. Sorry. We did as much as we could. We changed out the spark plugs, oil. We put the 255 pump in here.
Yeah, it seems like something's right here. That or these injectors are Chinese.
That's what I think. I think they're like fake Skyline injectors. He thinks you might have cheap Chinese choo-choo injectors.
I'm gonna be so mad because he's gonna come in here, sit in it for 5-10 minutes, and be like, all right, cool, done. He's gonna be like,
Done.
He's Martin the Wizard.
Martin the Wizard. Dude, I'm telling you, he just rubs his hands together and he just waits.
he sat in the thing and it ran better.
It's cold and now you're excited.
So
Should we come? We come? We'll be back, Martin.
Engine setup.
Hey, I'm coming in.
The engine setup and everything.
I'm coming in. Where you going? Can I bring my doggo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, doggo.
Latest rust bucket we're saving.
Show me what you pulled out yesterday, bro. This thing is legit.
John!
Yeah. Yeah, it's other Sean.
Try and do some. This is the most badass engine hoist I've ever seen.
The fucking strongest Julie's ever seen.
Can y'all go forward with it for a minute?
Is that what y'all do? You just move shit all day?
like them whistles.
I just move shit around, pretend I work.
Is that good? That looks good on this side.
Yeah, it's not good.
Solid. Has this been the most spacer on this dyno? I don't know.
Green headphones in around here?
Green headphones? Or not these, right?
Yeah.
the
250, 260.
It's like 260 to the crank.
No, to the wheels.
Yeah.
The low end is like 240 to the wheels.
So I put a supercharger on my car, I still got stock power.
We'll see. I want to see what the power band looks like in the low end. So it's making about the stock power, but if you get a good amount of torque in the bottom end, it's worth it. But at the same
I
time,
can't put the quarters back on.
smaller pulley, because I'm interested to see how many PSI you're running. You bitch might only be seeing like 3.
That's what I assume.
Yeah, it's gonna be super low on boost. So if you can get the boost to go up a little bit.
It's not making any boost?
Probably not. I don't know. Did you guys put a boost gauge in there?
No, we didn't.
Yeah, but last time I remember this car made 0 PSI as well. I mean, this kit.
Yep. It peaked at like 0.9.
0.9.
For a boost gauge?
Yeah.
The question is, where do you pull boost on this?
The hose in the back, the little pressure hose in the back. There you go. Yeah, because that goes into the lower plug.
What's up, Hunter? Mr. Rummy, he's got the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
262.
Yeah, it's not making boost.
I mean, you probably make more power with that blower off the motor.
That's what I'm saying.
Because it's just a restriction.
Yeah. Can I get an overlay of a NA car that runs good? Wait, where's my girl's car?
You know what's wrong with this so we can fix it?
Might be pulley size. I gotta look at it.
It makes 1 pound of boost.
How many pounds is it pushing? One.
Did you say none? No, I said 1. The 1 pound one did. It runs good.
Yeah, it's like driving now.
It's gonna feel like a different car. It's gonna be heavier in the front.
This is gonna be heavier in the front.
260.
Okay. I need to get different pulleys. It's making a pound of boost.
Ah, damn it.
It's making 1, not none. 1.
Yeah, it started at 2 PSI.
Now it's at 1.
Yeah, now it's at 1.
Martin went conservative. You know?
We need to put a port intake on it, right?
I like it.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
That's the way.
Go back to OEM intake. Drop cane and drop and filter in it, you know. Put some gold wrap on it for some pizzazz, you know.
The Z-Fever special.
I love that gold wrap. It's like my signature.
Straight NASA tape.
That's what I was gonna say. I want to put my car back on the dyno. I just don't want to embarrass myself like last time. I got a whole bunch of shit from Taiwan now. It's like ready, and now I have a coolant leak. So you told me get the water pump. There was something. Do you have a VQ lying around?
RTV, the thermostat.
But you said there was another, like a couple of hard lines. That
Oh
go
yeah, there's
inside
hard lines on the side of the
Yes.
engine over here. Sometimes
This is a VQ?
This is a HR. So it has a similar setup.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Do I
you'll
get
see a leak in this area.
Is there a gasket for here?
Yep, there's a
What is it
gasket
called?
right here. I can't remember what these lines are called. These are just like the heater return lines. Yeah, that's what I missed.
It's cam.
Yeah, but until I give it gas, it's fine.
Go drive it on block. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We can hear you if you yell
Don't
over
get
the building
stuck.
loud enough.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
We're in the forklift.
Definitely more sway.
Now we just get to look for a pulley kit, and I can do that, and I can get like a couple pounds, and I can probably get it up to 280. At least I can drive it like that. It does look cool driving though.
Yeah, and the injectors are fine, which is good. And we know we can open it up, so it's maintenanceable. Say that one more time.
Okay. So it made a pound of boost. So I got to change the pulleys. It's got the wrong pulleys on it. Yeah. So it's pretty much stock still. So it's 260 to the wheel and 230 torque.
Alright, so that worked out. We finally got Chase's car on the dyno and we ended up getting it tuned. Made about 265 with about 240 torque. I know that's still around stock power for DE, but the thing looks cool, it sounds good, and we have the wrong pulleys on it, and pulley dimensions are really, really important when it comes to a supercharger. Trust me, I would know. So the fact that it's at least making somewhat amount of boost on completely stock pulleys, not even knowing what's on there, and the fact that it can run and drive, be off the lift for the time being, and we can go ahead and take it to events and work on other cars while still trying to figure out how to perfect this.
And nice to finally meet you.
Dude, I'm so
It
jealous.
adds to the appeal.
This is so beautiful. It is so good to meet you. What's good?
Nice to meet you, bro. Safety first.
Look at this. It's a totally different reroute kit, right?
Yeah, he did his own
pipe different. And
So it goes
right here is
intercooler.
Yep, comes back through, loops through the intercooler. I was trying to sell it to you a while ago, the kit, but
No, it's good. I know
weren't
you wanted
sure.
to. Yeah, it's fine, dude. Don't worry about it. Like, I'll be patient.
it makes numbers.
I know. It looks good. Like, listen, if you decide to sell it, whenever you decide to, like, I will come. Because
I'll give you a pull in the car if you want. I don't have a seat, but you'll have to like sit on the ground. It's like a, all the guys sit on the ground in my car.
That's fine with me.
All right. Just lean back when he goes let off. Just hold it. Just hold it.
You're getting the special treatment, dog.
Really?
I would have had to sit on top of all that.
Yeah, fucking jack up the ass, bro. Like,
Don't worry about
We
it.
probably have like another 300 pounds to take out. This is a daily right now, bro. I got the draggy set up right there.
my boy got the Frito chili cheese bag.
All right.
You good?
Okay. All right.
Anyone want to close the hood?
We're just gonna go down the street real quick
Good.
and just see if we can get traction.
Not just strap yourself in.
With what?
All right, I don't know.
All right.
Transmission problems. But I mean, when it gets into gear, that bitch runs.
Yes. I've never felt any DE pull that hard.
Yeah.
I've never.
It's definitely the hardest point. It's fun, man.
It's not gonna have as many
It's my little
issues.
piece of shit.
Yeah, dude. It's
You know?
great, bro. I love this thing.
What it's about. It's not
I
about.
told you, I looked up to this thing, bro, when I first got my 350Z. That's why
Really?
I got it. Yeah, dude, that's the only reason why I got it.
Dude.
But like, then Sean said he wanted to hold it for a while, and I was like, alright,
Yeah.
I completely understand. So
Yeah.
I've literally not done a thing except put wheels on the seat.
It's our baby, man. You know.
I know.
We
and
started
I
this thing,
completely
and
understand too.
you know,
'cause I'd hate to get rid of it too. And the
That's-
person I'd get rid of it to, like, I'd want to make sure that
it
they're gonna
stays
drive
there.
the car. Yeah.
If you sell it, I want it to go back to somebody, you know.
that'll at least know how to take care of the car.
Yeah.
Like,
I just
know
you
how to
know,
work on it. Not, trust me on that. Oh, it just makes you want to clench your teeth, bro. It's so hard. This thing is dialed.
It's fun, man.
Martin likes
we've-
this thing?
Oh, Martin's driven it, yeah. Martin and Sean are the only two people that have ever driven my car,
That's so
other
legit.
than me. Every season, when you go turbo, every season you want to get it retuned.
Yeah.
You know, you want to stay on your shit. You know,
Consistent.
hot weather, cold weather, because your AFRs are gonna. You see, a lot of these guys are blowing their shit up because you know this cold weather hits and they're overboosting.
Yeah.
So you know, I go to Martin probably 5 times already this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, thank you. Thank you so much, bro.
What?
This is insane.
Bring your kid to work day.
I want it.
Maybe I'll, you know, it's got a Gretty oil pan. It's got all the good shit. Any
I'll
bad
take
parts.
it to Martin too. I'm not letting no other tuner put their hands on
Yeah,
it. Like,
there's gonna
it'll be
be
safe.
like a couple of things I ask.
like,
of
and
you.
I think that's the only reason why Sean's letting me have it is because he knows I don't like anyone else but Martin.
Well, and
And no one else has a better dyno. Like, a lot of people, they have like the 3K rollers and shit. Like, this is a 5K roller.
these simulate boost a lot better.
Yeah. Do you recommend Ecutech or was it
for
just a
these
little
type of vehicles, you can't run an Ecutech setup.
On
It's
these?
usually for
Really?
the VHR setup.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
HR, and DE platforms, you can only run the rev up
So,
Osiris.
okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Pages and stuff I'm keeping.
Yeah, no, of course, of course. Literally, if you just gave me the kit, intercooler piping,
I've
fuel
got
kit,
injectors.
spacer, I'm cool.
You'll need a fuel pump because I'm gonna run twins. The
That's
same
fine.
one that I have, just another one.
What do you have, Marlboro 450?
320
320?
AM, yeah.
AM?
I would
Okay,
go
that's
with the
not bad.
340 because they're more E compatible.
What about Marlboro? The 450?
Marlboro's the 255s take shit.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what he has.
I mean, a lot of guys run them on NA, but if you're gonna go forced induction,
I'll see you around, bro.
Take it easy, bro.
Deuce. I'll see you around, homie.
later, dude.
Deuce. Later. Deuce. Sean. Deuce.
Sean.
Oh.